Ah, summer. The big holiday getaway. Wonderful landscapes we can enjoy with all trust. The easiness. The sweet life on the road. And then all those memories we have. Ride through the forest. Roll with the waves. Soak up the sun. And enjoying the road all day long. So many great moments we share together. Right until the end of the holidays. On the road to unforgettable sunny moments. With Kleber Dynaxer HP5 Summer Tire.